Check this out, party people. I don't know if you can see it, but look, it's raining, but it's a clear blue sky. Watch. See, clear blue sky. But look right here. Try to zoom in. Come down here and check it out. Look at it. See it? It's like it's raining. Check it out. See, it's wet over there. Look. Hey, I don't know if you can really see it that well. But it looks like it's raining. But you would think it would, because look, right here. Check it out. Look at it. It's raining. Right? Come over here. Looks like it's raining. Water coming out. Look, it's raining really hard over here. Now it's raining really hard. But if you look, look, it's still, I can feel the water. Look, check it out. It's all wet over here. Check it out. It's just raining in this area. Look. See it? Isn't this crazy? But I'll show you what the deal is. Look, you got this here. See? It's like it's raining. If you look, these dudes are power washing way up on the building. Check it out, people. These people are power washing way the hell up on that building. So when it comes down here, it looks like it's raining. Isn't that crazy? Check it out. They're way up there. Power washing the building. Yeah, they clean the building off. They do windows and they clean buildings. Pretty cool, huh? Sweet. Have a good one, party people. Peace.